Okay, here we are on a BMW 328i. We're going to be changing the overflow jug. We've got a leak coming right through here. You can see the water stain. The little spout that sticks in here is broken off at the end. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So we're going to pull this clip to remove this upper hose. And then down here on the bottom, you can see it right where my finger is. There's another one. I'm going to pull a clip up, pull the hose off. Going to remove the bolt here and the bolt here, and we're going to remove that and put the new one in. We're also going to do is open this up, and we're going to try to suck as much antifreeze out of there as we can so it doesn't leak everywhere. It's pretty low because it's leaking, but we're going to suck what remained and stuff in there out. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to extract the antifreeze out with the pump. This way here, I'll try to minimize the amount of weight mess we make. There is two different cavities in there, so if you move it from front to back in the jug, you'll get more. This way here, we'll take it all out so we don't have a problem. This is a new nifty little microphone setup I got over the weekend, so we'll see how it works. The more you get out, the less you got to clean up. That's basically how that works. Okay, now we'll pull these little clips up. And like I said, as you can see, the little spout right here, the end of it's broken right off. It's been broken for a while because I did check the other side of the hose and it's not inside the hose, so it's been broke for a while. So now we're going to pull the bottom. I minimize the amount of antifreeze on the floor, so let that do that. And then now just take the 10 millimeters off. Those two 10s. And then the jug is out. And then there you go. And then we'll just reverse the process and put it back when the new one gets in. Should be here shortly. Okay, here's the brand new part. And now see how the spout, where that piece goes, compared to this one. Yeah, that one's busted. That's the way it's supposed to be. ahead and put it in. Just going to cut this off. Get rid of that. But this is where it goes here. So the bottom hose, top hose, the fluid sensor level sensor. Sure. Gonna make sure everything's there. So we don't need this in there anymore. Let's put that off to the side. Okay. Just got to make sure you really seat them on there. Make sure there's nothing in them. Okay. Okay. Then when you fill it, you can loosen up the bleeder right there if you want to. When you fill it, probably a good idea, what you could do is go on your scanner and turn the electric pump on, so it'll pump it and bleed it automatically if you have provisions for that. That's just one of the better ways to do it. That way there you know you're getting all the fluid in that you need. So other than that, that's pretty much it. That's the installation of the overflow jug. This is a BMW 328i. Thank you. If this video helps you, please feel free to subscribe and like. And it's to replace the overflow jug in a 328i BMW. Thank you from Nitro's Auto Repair. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this and it helps you. Subscribe anyway. Thank you.